Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about the common question asking if Clownfish Voice Changer is a virus. Now, I've been using Clownfish for a little bit when I'm on Discord, and sometimes, like for example, when I go to record a video like I am right now, I would go over to Audacity, and sometimes I will see my mic all the way down to 0 if I'm using Clownfish or I have used Clownfish in the past. Now, one remedy for this that I've found is if you just close Clownfish and then go down to your bottom taskbar, then to show hidden icons and actually exit out of Clownfish, that will fix majority of the issues that you could have. So basically what happens is when you have Clownfish open, it's basically telling your microphone to run everything through that first before it runs it through something else. So say, for example, if you're doing other things in your computer, you might not want that to be the case. You might just want to use your microphone normally and then just use Clownfish at certain points. So I'd recommend just closing Clownfish when you're done using it on what you're doing. And if you're going to record something else, just make sure it's closed. If you're still having issues with Clownfish after that, you can go ahead and uninstall it. All you have to do that the proper way, not just deleting like the shortcut here, you want to go to your search option here and just go to add or remove programs. And then once this opens up, you just want to scroll down and you will find Clownfish here. So if you scroll down, you'll see Clownfish Voice Changer. All you want to do is click on that, and then click on uninstall, and that will totally remove Clownfish from your computer. So that will eliminate all the problems. But is it a virus? No, it's not a virus, guys. Don't be too worried about that. It's just because it's trying to edit your audio settings. But yeah, anyways, if you guys have any more questions, feel free to leave some below. I'll be happy to answer them and help you guys out. Otherwise, I hope I was able to help you guys out with the information I was able to give in today's video. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.